I got my mini monthly tea club classic edition box from Lady Slings the Brews, and I'm so excited to do this unboxing. Her tea is so amazing. Oh, it smells and tastes so good, so I had to join the tea club. The first tea is a purple ether tea. Look at all those flowers and fresh herbs that she dried. It's a cool package. So there's that one. And then there's a pink paradise, lemon and hibiscus flowers. I bet it's going to smell amazing. And last one, a apple cinnamon black tea with white tea and ginger and apple bits. Oh, they smell amazing. You can smell them in the package. And we have a spoon for scooping out the tea. And we have a cute little tea steeper. Comes in a bag. Oh, you never have enough of these. So this one's a little swan. Set that there. And you get tea bags to put your tea in. This one came with one for each. I use a lot of tea when I make tea, so I love that she didn't put in little ones that are like this size. I've gotten some of those before, and I was so upset because you can't hardly fit anything in there. But these are nice quality, and they're a wonderful size, so I could overfill them full of delicious tea and get a really good flavoring. And I really don't need that much when I make tea using hers, but I just love it anyway. I love a strong tea flavor. And herbal lip scrub, black lavender. Oh, this is going to come in so handy when the weather turns cold here in the desert, because my lips get dry and chapped, and this is going to be amazing. Let's open it up. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I love it. So that's what's in the monthly club box I got this month. I highly recommend going to her website and grabbing one for yourself. I will be doing more shopping on her lovely website later. Gotta get me some fall tea.